everyone. Students, I welcome you back to our YouTube channel of SRT. Last time we did a video about your omitted portion of Science Section B. Today I am back and I am going to help you today with your omitted portion of Science Section A for the year 2020-21. Okay, so let's see what is the omitted portion of your Science Section A and how it is going to help you. Come. Okay, students, today we are going to discuss about the omitted portion of your 10th standard Science and Technology Part 1. Okay, so before I start with my markings and you start marking in your textbook, I want you to take a pencil and your textbook along with you so that it becomes easy for you to mark your omitted portion. Okay, so let's begin. We start with your first chapter, that is your gravitation. Page number 1. On page number 1, you have use ICT. Okay, so that part you don't have. Please remove that part, cancel it. On page number 2, you have introduction to scientist. Remove that part. Okay, that part is omitted. Along with that, you have try this, the next part. Please remove that part. Okay, and even the next paragraph which you have. Now students, over here you will be getting one red mark thing. That red mark thing is nothing but your definition of centrifugation or centrifugal force rather. So you please mark that because that is important. You just have to learn that definition. Other than that, nothing is to be learned in that particular page. On page number 4, come to page number 4. On page number 4, you will be having an introduction to scientist. Remove that part. Okay, that part is omitted. On page 5, you do not have uniform circular motion. So this entire part you do not have. So please remove that part. Later on, you don't have the paragraph which is next to your entire formula or derivation. That part is not there. Use your brain power is not there. Remove that part. Coming to your next page, page number 6. On page number 6, you do not have use your brain power. You don't have do you know. Then coming to page 7. On page number 7, you do not have collect information. So that part is removed from your chapter. Then on page number 9, you do not have the first paragraph of mass and weight. Okay, but there is that last line which is there. So that particular part you have, and later then you have the weight ka formula, but the last paragraph on page number 9 you do not have. Come to page number 10. On page number 10, the entire do you know concept is not there. So that part please remove. Coming to page number 11, on page number 11, you do not have do you know. So remove that part of do you know. On page number 14, again you have one do you know wala paragraph. That paragraph has been omitted. Then come to your chapter 2, page number 16, periodic classification of elements. The first 4 questions, can you recall? That part is omitted. Then classification of elements, that entire introduction has been removed. Now when you talk about your table where you have examples for Dauber-Reiner strides, the second one and the third one, these 2 examples has been removed. The first example is only there of lithium, sodium, potassium. Then come to page number 17. On page number 17, you do not have this do you know. Even the Newland's octaves ka table, that entire table has been omitted. Come to next part. Next part, page number 18. Your introduction to scientist Mendeleev के बारे में जो भी है वो delete कर दो. Then on page number 19, you do not have use your brain power. That part has been omitted. Then on page number 21, you do not have use your brain power. This part is omitted. All 4 questions are omitted. On page 22, we do not have can you recall or can you tell. Sorry, this part is not there. Come to page 22 ka last part. Do you know? Even that part has been omitted. Then on page 23, we don't have can you tell. Okay, these 2 questions have been removed. On page 24, we do not have can you recall. Even over here, these 3 questions are not there. On page 27, we don't have internet my friend. That part has been omitted. On page 28, we do not have the last part of your chapter, do you know? This entire box has been omitted from your portion. We come to chapter 3, chemical reactions and equations. Can you recall? These 3 questions have been removed. Then your chemical reaction ka first paragraph has been removed along with the table which is there, where you have to identify about physical and chemical change. Come to page 31. On page 31, we have find out. This part has been removed for you. Come to page 33. On page 33, we don't have this entire try this. This entire experiment is not there. When you talk about the last part of page number 33, we do not have do you know, we even don't have find out. Come to page 35. On page 35, we do not have use your brain part. This part has been removed. Okay, so all your 3 questions and the sub questions have been omitted for you. Coming to your page number 36. On page 36, we have use your brain part, but that part has been omitted from your portion. Then below your decomposition reaction, we don't have this try this. Okay, this experiment has been removed. On page 37, can you recall? This entire question has been removed. Okay, so it is marked over here for you. Coming to next part, page 39, students, page 39. We do not have try this entire apparatus chemical procedure. Then use your brain power. All the 6 questions has been removed from page number 39. Come to page 41 directly. On page 41, we don't have this do you know. This entire block has been removed for you. Coming to page 42, again do you know has been removed. Use your brain power on the same page has been removed. On page 43, we do not have can you tell, and even this particular part do you know, this part has been omitted. Students, please remember, on few pages you will be having multiple use your brain power can you tell. See to it that everything is not omitted. Please be alert while you are marking this. Okay, to next page. On page 44, we do not have find out, so this last part on page 44 has been removed. And on page 46, we do not have the project work, so that part has also been omitted from your portion. Come to page 47. Okay, the new chapter begins, effects of electric current, and over there we talk about can you recall. In this, we do not have the first 2 questions. The introductory paragraphs, okay, even that has been removed. Observe and discuss. This particular activity has also been removed from page 47. Come to page 48, and over there we just have this small part which is not there. Think about it. Page 49, students, always remember has been removed. Find out has been removed from here. Come to page 50. On page 50, we have one block of do you know. This part has been omitted. Now students, I want to tell you over here, on page 50, there is a confusion that is given by the government in the sheet. Okay, now in that sheet, they have said some another page number with the first 2 examples which are not there. Okay, so over here, I have marked over here for your either these 2 solved examples are not there, or on the next page, you on that is on page 51, example number 3 or example number 4, both of them are not there. So now we exactly don't know till the further details comes from your board. Okay, so over here, as soon as this examples gets clear, we will let you know about what is the change and what is there and what is not there. Okay, come to page 52, students. We do not have introduction to scientist, and on page 52, same page 52, always remember is not there. Okay, so these 2 part is omitted from your page 50. Page 57, directly come to page 57. The first paragraph of galvanometer is not there. Remaining part is there on page 57. On page 58, students, the last introduction to scientist, even this block has been removed from your syllabus. On page 59, okay, we do not have the first 2 paragraph of AC and DC. Later, the third paragraph is also removed from your portion. Okay. Come to page 60, the last part of your paragraph. Okay. That last part of your paragraph about your DC generator has been removed. Mind you, students, we still have use your brain part. Okay. Only the last question about your DC generator is there. Coming to your next, chapter 5, heat. In this, on page 62, we do not have try this, that entire part has been omitted. On page 67, we do not have introduction to scientists, this part has been removed. Then on page 69, we do not have ICT, that part has been removed completely. Then on page number 70, students, the example number 3 has been omitted from your portion. That continues till page number 71 over here. Okay, so your example 3 has been omitted from you. Come to chapter 6, reflection of light. Come to page 73. Now on this page, on page 73, we do not have second activity, we do not have third activity. Both these activities have been removed. Then come to page 75, students, and pay special attention over here. When we talk about this particular table, we have the name of the substances, we have the refractive index. So you need to remember the substance and the refractive index. The later columns have been omitted from your portion. Okay, so please be very alert over here. Only this part has been omitted. The first two columns are still there. Okay, then come to page 76. Twinkling of stars, can you tell that part? That two questions has been removed, and later on the preceding paragraph has been removed. Only the first paragraph over here has been removed. Then on page 77, use your brain power. Those two questions have been removed from your syllabus for this academic. Then on page 82, we start with your chapter 7, that is lenses. Now, when you talk about page 82, okay, the try this part has been removed completely. This particular activity is not there. Then on page 87, we do not have do you know. Okay, so this part has been omitted. On page 90, students, on page 90, we do not have the last paragraph of telescope. So this entire paragraph has been removed. We come to chapter 8, metallurgy. Now in this, on page 93, think about it. This part is not there. This part has been omitted. And then the later part of can you tell? This question is there. But when you talk about physical properties of metals and non-metals, these two paragraphs have been removed completely. Then on page 94, we don't have do you know. This part has been omitted. Now students, on page 94 itself, when you have this activity, try this. Abhi ye activity pura hai. But when you talk about the chemical, ye chemical mein you don't have to study about copper. This copper has been removed. Your lead has been removed. And your sodium has been removed. These three elements are not there. Remaining everything you are going to have for your exams. Okay. On page 95, the first two lines along with the two chemical equations, this part has been removed. Other than that, everything remains the same. On page 96, students, we do not have try this, and along with that, obviously, we are not going to have the diagram, neither the procedure. To your next part, page 98. On page 98, we do not have properties of ionic compound ka try this. Okay, this part has been removed. Only try this. इसके बाद वाले पेज पे, page 99 पे, you will have general properties of ionic compounds. That is going to be there. Only this activity is not there. And on page 101, from 98, now we are coming to page 101. We do not have internet, my friend. That has been omitted. Come to page 102, we do not have do you know. So this part has been removed for your. Then on page 105, we do not have the entire block of thermit welding. This part has been removed for your. Along with that, we do not have collect information. Even this part has been omitted. Rest everything remains the same. Then coming to page 108. On page 108, we do not have do you know. and we even don't have collect the information. Both of them have been omitted from your syllabus of 2020-2021. Coming to chapter 9, carbon compounds, we don't have can you recall, this part has been omitted, and we do not have can you tell. Okay, so these two things are not there on page 110. Come to page 112. On page 112, we do not have do you know. This part has been omitted for you. Then coming to your page number 116. Now on page 116, okay, we do not have this particular part, do you know. On page 127, we do not have do you know. Okay. Then come to page 128. On page 128, we do not have about alcohol as a fuel. Okay, so this two paragraphs, and along with that ethanoic acid, even this part has been removed. And on page 131, we do not have can you tell, and later on from macromolecules onwards, everything has been omitted on page number 131. Okay. Then come to page 132. On page 132, we do not have this entire table. Okay, that entire page has been omitted. On page 133, we do not have the last part as well. So this part has been omitted. So students, we come to your next chapter, chapter 10, space missions. On this page number 135, on page 135, students, we do not have do you know, can you recall, and can you tell. So your three back-to-back questions, that is do you know, can you recall, and can you tell, this part has been omitted. On page 136, we do not have use of ICT. Even this part has been removed from your syllabus. Coming to page number 139. On page number 139, everything has been omitted except your diagram of 10.4. Only your diagram remains, rest everything has been omitted. On page 141, students, we have omitted do you know, so this part is not there for you. On page 142, we do not have introduction to scientists, the three scientists which I have shown, which is shown in your textbook, page 142. This part has been removed. And on page 143, we do not have introduction to scientists. Even this block has been removed for you. Okay, so this was the omitted portion for the academic year 2020-2021 of Science Section A. So students, I hope you have understood the video. But suppose if you have any doubt, please do not forget to mention your doubts in the comment section. I will see to it to clear all your doubts. If you have liked the video, please hit the like icon, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to know any further updates of our channel. Hope to see you soon. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy.